Shukor na Khlem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Sorkar Jilla Kalaminjur ban pendamno ya ka Skhim Saubhagya DDUGJY ya ka ne karai laminjur henne ka sngi ha ka jing kendu jong ki ken hon menteri. U menteri rang ba ka jilla konrat ke sama oleh tho bana ka ne ka Skhim sanbusau laktam tingka kimpat dap na kapisa kabalamang kumba khandai punriu klur tingka ha kabaki don kishnong kumba laipo hadu saupo tali ki badang sha ki ba ka ne ka Skhim kam shim la Trei kam. Menteri rangba uloong baka Sorkar kan Siew shu ya kapisa syagi Kontraktor kiba Khlem pendap bat Trei ya kani ka Skhim syagi tu kisno. Kajing penbana ya kani ka rai kade hadin ba ka MEPDCL kala ay ka kaipot jing pensisya sya ka Sorkar. Nakalyang Menteri rangba ula kular ba kiway kisnong kiba Khlem yo ya kani ka Skhim ka Sorkar kan sapet da ka ay ka Skhim kin sa Trei.
Was the proposal for approval of the cabinet for financial closure of the Saubhagya DDUGJY additional infra schemes based on final verification report submitted by MEPDCL. So as you're aware that we had already submitted the physical closure report of these schemes to REC and to the respective agencies and departments in central government. But in certain cases, because of the pending inquiry and also because of the aspect of verification which we would want to do from our side, there was a slight delay, and ultimately the verifications have been done at different levels by the MEPDCL, and after conducting multiple verifications, they have come out with a final report, and in that final report, the MEPDCL and the Power Department have submitted that to the government. We have accepted that report today, and we have approved the financial closure of the Saubhagya DDUGJY and the additional infra schemes. The fourth agenda or the item was proposal for amendment of the Meghalaya Electronics Processes Issuance and Service Execution Rules 2025. These are just basic amendments that were required as per the law, and these are nothing major amendments that are there. It is just to make sure that our laws and rules are in line with the different acts, and also certain nomenclature points are there which are bare minimum. So this is nothing major decision, but just to ensure that the rules are in place. And necessary amendments have been made to make it in line with the acts and the different provisions of central government about 3 years back. But after that phase, the MEPDCL was still asked to do a verification on basis of different complaints that kept coming to us that certain places the work was not done, was not completed. And though the physical closure was done, we decided that we should do a further verification to be sure from our side. And we did that verification, and the reports came in, and the director technicals of the three different branches or companies of the MEPDCL, they sat and had multiple meetings, and ultimately the report was submitted to us that out of the work that was at question, about 96 crores of work was being verified. The committee and the MEPDCL has submitted a report today to us that after multiple verifications, they have found that 54 lakhs of work has not been completed out of the 96 crores. Out of that, the rest has been completed. So about 30 to 40 villages are there. I don't have the names of the villages. So based on that, we have accepted that financial closure report from the MEPDCL and asked or given the permission today to MEPDCL to go ahead with the financial closure based on this report that about 54 lakhs of work was not complete, which means that the payment for those 54 lakhs will not be done, and the rest of the work where the work has been completed, verification has been done, necessary payments be released. Of course, taken to task. So wherever in the sense that the payments will not be made to them.
Sir,
will not make the payments to the concerned contractor on those
but
basis.
villages.
We will work on that. So as I said, once we do it, we have not, today the report has come, so we will now examine on how to move forward. But as I said that we have decided that we will not make payments for those particular villages, which is meant to close all the villages and houses which are not electrified till now. And this scheme has been approved by Government of India. So once this is executed, we are hopeful that we'll be able to cover most of the villages and houses.
By when, sir?
I don't have that number with me because it's a new question you asked me, in the sense that RDSS scheme is, the details are different. So this is this is an old scheme. The one you asked me is a new scheme. So I'll require notice. We were to verify, and we wanted to be sure, and it would be incorrect on our part to just simply jump to any kind of conclusion. So therefore we waited, we verified, we re-verified, because we really wanted to be very, very sure, and we wanted to take action against those who have not completed. So after multiple verifications, these reports have come, and we feel that now the time has come to close it, because it has been pulling on for quite some time. And based on that, the agenda was brought to the cabinet, and we've taken decision.
Sir, are you